They say youth fades with time, but what if I told you the secret to staying young has nothing to do with age and everything to do with purpose? When we think about staying healthy and vibrant in our later years, we often hear the same advice: eat right, exercise regularly, keep your brain active, get enough sleep. And yes, all of that is important. But what if there's something even more powerful? Something science is only just beginning to understand, and wisdom has known all along? That something is purpose, a sense of meaning, a reason to wake up each morning, a reason to smile, to give, and to grow. Purpose is more than just an idea, it's fuel for your soul. As we grow older, we often start to wonder what comes next. The kids are grown, the career chapters have closed, the hustle has quieted. For many, this stage of life is painted as the end of purpose, as if our meaning in life fades with retirement. But that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, this chapter might just be the most meaningful of all, because now, without the distractions, without the deadlines and obligations, you finally have the time and space to ask yourself, what truly matters to me? What do I want to leave behind? What kind of impact do I still want to make? You see, purpose doesn't retire, it evolves. And research backs this up. Numerous studies have shown that elderly people who live with a clear sense of purpose are not only happier, they are healthier. They have lower rates of heart disease, lower risk of Alzheimer's, reduced stress, stronger immune systems, and even longer lifespans. One study published in the journal Psychological Science found that people with a strong sense of purpose lived longer than those without it, regardless of age. Imagine that, something as invisible as purpose actually adding years to your life. But let's forget the science for a second and just look at life itself. Think of the people you have seen who are still thriving in their 70s, 80s, or even 90s. The ones who light up the room when they enter, who talk with enthusiasm, who laugh like life's still new. They are not driven by money or achievement, they are driven by meaning. Some of them volunteer, some mentor younger people, some create art, write, travel, start small businesses, join community projects, or simply take care of their gardens and share vegetables with neighbors. But behind all of it is purpose. Purpose doesn't have to be big or loud. It doesn't have to be some grand mission to change the world. Sometimes it's as simple as being there for your grandchild, calling a friend who's feeling low, passing on the stories, the lessons, the wisdom that only you can give. You have walked through decades. You have seen change. You have known love, loss, pain, joy, failure, and success. And all of that, every moment of it, has equipped you with something priceless: experience, insight, and perspective. And that makes you a treasure chest of wisdom for the world. There's a Japanese concept called ikigai. It roughly translates to a reason for being, and many believe it's one of the reasons why people in Okinawa live so long, well into their hundreds, many of them with a sharp mind and a happy heart. Their secret isn't found in supplements or gym routines. It's found in the fact that every person, no matter their age, has a reason to wake up in the morning. Maybe it's making tea for the family, tending to their garden, teaching younger generations, or simply showing as a kind and valued member of their community. They live with purpose, and that purpose gives life energy. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I don't know what my purpose is anymore. I used to know, I used to be needed. Now, I'm not so sure. If that's how you feel, you are not alone. Many people face that same question as they grow older. But let me tell you this, purpose is not something you find once and keep forever. It shifts with time. But now your purpose might be deeper. Maybe it's about nurturing the next generation, sharing your story, giving your time, your heart, your presence. Maybe it's finally doing what your younger self never had time to do, learning something new, writing that book, painting, walking in nature, connecting with people who bring joy to your life. You are still needed more than you know. There are people out there who need your encouragement, your smile, your wisdom. There are still chapters waiting to be written in your story, and it's never too late to start. Grandma Moses began painting in her 70s. Nelson Mandela became president of South Africa at 75. Colonel Sanders founded KFC in his 60s. They didn't see their age as a limit, they saw it as experience, as power, as perspective. The world is filled with noise that says aging is a decline. But you know what aging really is? It's a deepening, it's a refining. The world doesn't need you to be young, it needs you to be present, to be purposeful, to be exactly who you are right now. Every day is a gift, and every morning you wake up is another chance to live with meaning. Don't let your value be defined by a calendar or a clock. Let it be defined by how deeply you love, how freely you give, and how bravely you choose to keep showing up. So, how do you reconnect with purpose? Start by asking yourself a few questions. What lights you up? What breaks your heart? What do you know that someone else might need to learn? What do you love to talk about, read about, or share? Purpose doesn't always shout, it often whispers. It's in the small things, the quiet moments, the things you do that make you forget time is passing. Maybe it's cooking meals and inviting someone over who lives alone. Maybe it's writing letters to your children or grandchildren, telling them the stories they never knew. Maybe it's walking to the local community center and offering your help, or joining a group, a class, a circle of people who want to grow, connect, and laugh. Sometimes purpose is as simple as being present in someone's life, as offering kindness, wisdom, patience, things our world is starving for. Your presence, your perspective, your being, those are all part of your purpose. And if you're still unsure, that's okay too. Sometimes we need to simply begin, to move, to try. Purpose often reveals itself in motion. So don't wait for clarity before you act. Just act and clarity will follow. There's a spark inside you that hasn't gone out. Maybe it's dimmed, maybe it's waiting, but it's still there, waiting to be fed with a little hope, a little intention, a little love. And here's something beautiful to remember: your purpose doesn't have to make headlines, it just has to make a difference. Even if it's in one life, even if it's in your own. Every smile you give, every kind word you speak, every time you choose joy over bitterness, compassion over resentment, hope over despair, you are living with purpose. You are adding light to the world, and that light reflects back on you, keeping your spirit alive and young. So, today, wherever you are, however old you are, remind yourself the clock doesn't define you, the calendar doesn't own you. Your heart still beats, your soul still shines, and your purpose, it's still alive and waiting. Don't give in to the lie that your best days are behind you. They might just be right in front of you. Maybe not in the ways you once imagined, but in the quiet, meaningful ways that matter most: in love shared, in lessons passed on, in joy rediscovered. You are not done yet, not even close. So go ahead, take that first step, make that call, share that story, learn that particular thing, help that person, and most of all, wake up tomorrow not with dread or emptiness, but with purpose. Let it fill your lungs, let it move your hands, let it lift your soul. Because purpose is the new fountain of youth, and it's flowing inside you right now.